Hey grillers, I'm Brad with BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a chimney to light some charcoals. The first step is to remove the lid and cooking grate. Next, fill up a chimney full of charcoal. Use a full chimney for a full cook or a half chimney for a smaller cook. I like to use fire starters to start my chimney. Put a fire starter underneath the chimney, light it, and put the chimney back on top. You can also use crumpled up paper, cardboard, or anything else that's flammable to start your chimney. Let your chimney burn until all the coals are on fire and the ones on top are beginning to get white. After about 20 minutes, pour your coals out onto the fire grate. If you're direct cooking, push the coals into the middle of the grill. If you're going to do an indirect or two-zone cook, push the coals to one edge of the grill. Lastly, put the cooking grate back on your grill. You're now ready to grill up some great meats. Hopefully you guys learned something about lighting some charcoal. If you haven't seen it, check out my how to use a drum smoker video. I'll leave a link at the end of the video. Also, I come out with new videos every Thursday, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. You get all the new videos. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys later.